golden dust and quiet air. Morning finds the sun aware. Half a dream still in our eyes, half a truth we don't disguise. Kettle breathing soft and low, windows cracked to let it go. Every day begins the same, still it never feels that way. We don't have to run so fast. Some things only grow if they last. Take it slow, let it be. Life is wider than we see. Every wrong turn, every mile shapes the heart in quiet style. If it hurts, it means we tried. If it breaks, we grow inside. We're not lost, we're just becoming what we didn't know was coming. Flour on the wooden board, simple meals we can afford. Salt and heat and waiting time, patience turning into rhyme. Radio and faded tone, we don't have to feel alone. Every small and steady flame keeps reminding why we came. We don't need to see the end, we just walk and let it bend. Take it slow, let it be. Life is wider than we see. Every wrong turn, every mile shapes the heart in quiet style. If it hurts, it means we tried. If it breaks, we grow inside. We're not lost, we're just becoming what we didn't know was coming. Maybe home is not a place. Maybe time is not a race. Maybe all we ever need is to breathe and plant the seed. Take it slow, let it be. Life is more than what we see. Every fall and every rise opens up another sky. We're not late and we're not wrong. We've been learning all along. Golden dust and quiet air. Morning finds the sun aware. Half a dream still in our eyes, half a truth we don't disguise. Kettle breathing soft and low, windows cracked to let it go. Every day begins the same, still it never feels that way. We don't have to run so fast. Some things only grow if they last. Take it slow, let it be. Life is wider than we see. Every wrong turn, every mile shapes the heart in quiet style. If it hurts, it means we tried. If it breaks, we grow inside. We're not lost, we're just becoming what we didn't know was coming. Flour on the wooden board, simple meals we can afford. Salt and heat and waiting time, patience turning into rhyme. Radio and faded tone, we don't have to feel alone. Every small and steady flame keeps reminding why we came. We don't need to see the end, we just walk and let it bend. Take it slow, let it be. Life is wider than we see. Every wrong turn, every mile shapes the heart.